from the bridge, and I hope you like it. Statue of Liberty. Let me just bring my pocketbook because I don't trust anyone. I've been robbed before, and I'm never going to let myself get robbed again. And you can see downtown Brooklyn, this direction. But I'm more focused on my sunsetting than anything else. I made numerous videos today, and it's almost very close tonight. I have sunrises and only one sunset, and I wanted to get a nice saucy sunset, including the SOL, the Statue of Liberty, and part of downtown Brooklyn. It's going to be hard to capture this all at once. What are we going to do? We cast by the Kent Tile Cleaners. It's 4:21 p.m. It's the Parsons Boulevard train. I'm going to first show you toward the north and the east to downtown Brooklyn. I don't have to zoom in because we're really dang close, 2 stops away. Here's Manhattan, you can see it. And sunset captured Bayonne. We'll close. The Statue of Liberty is coming up very shortly. Here she is, right there. And then we start entering toward lower Manhattan to zoom on in a little bit and see what we get. And then back into the tunnel. And this is a beautiful, warm sunset. Mid-November